So this is why the oil filter housing on your Mini Cooper can be so expensive, because the bolts to get it out, so you have a bolt there, right? There's a bolt there. And then there is a bolt on top of there, right? But then these two bolts, they're covered up by the heat shield. And in order to remove the heat shield, you have to remove the catalytic converter. And in order to do that, you have to push the bumper in service mode. So, a lot of things to do just to get to your oil filter housing. But once you're there, someone's going to be replacing your oil filter housing. Guys, you might want to just also take a look at, you have this hose here, right? So you have this hose here coming from your oil filter housing to your auxiliary coolant pump. So that might be a hose you might want to consider replacing, because it's right there. You're also going to get access to your oil drain line from the turbo. Again, it's right there. Why not replace it? Your inlet line to your oil, again, it's right there. Why not replace that too? So, there's a lot of additional hoses and lines that you can replace, because it's right there, and it's probably not going to cost that much extra. Even the coolant line from the turbo, this can be a common source of leaks. Once this clamp starts to deteriorate, that can be a cause of concern there. Oil pressure switch right there. Oh yeah, so that's why, if you get a leak from your oil filter housing, sometimes it can be pretty expensive to replace. Even though the part is less than $20, it just takes time to get to where you need to be.